Hey guys, in this video I will show you what to do if your Galaxy Tab S6 is stuck on a black screen. There are some Galaxy Tab S6 owners who reported that their devices turned off shortly after the Android update and would no longer turn on. But it could be just a minor problem triggered by the new firmware, provided that there are no signs of physical damage. If you're one of the users with this issue, here's what you need to do. First solution, perform the force restart. Most of the time, when a device powers down by itself after an update, regardless of whether it's a minor update or a big update, the problem is caused by a system crash. It's when the firmware stops working, and if that happens, naturally your phone will become unresponsive while being stuck on a black screen. To address this, press the volume down button and the power key at the same time and hold them together for 10 seconds. It will force your tablet to boot up. When the logo shows, release both keys and wait for your tablet to finish the reboot. Most of the time, the force restart is all you need to do to make an unresponsive device work again. However, if it doesn't fix the problem, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, charge your phone and do the forced restart. Having a drained battery is basically not a problem because more often than not, a device will immediately respond once it's connected to the charger, but there is always a possibility that the firmware would crash just before the tablet powers down, and that could be the case here. So try this. Plug the charger to a working wall outlet and using the original cable, connect your Tab S6 to it. Regardless of whether the device shows the charging symbol or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After which, and while the tablet is still connected to the charger, press the volume down button and the power key at the same time and hold them together for 10 seconds. If the logo shows, release both keys and wait for your device to finish the reboot. If the Tab S6 powers on, then the problem is fixed, and it could have been due to a pretty minor firmware issue. However, if it is still not responding after this, then it's time you have it checked, as it can be a hardware issue already. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.